What's up guys, I'm Nomadikh. Today we're at the 8th episode of the Sampling Music video series where we're reinventing 70s records. Today we're going to be doing reggae. So in the last episode we did blues music. Check that episode out if you haven't seen it yet. But today we're going to be doing reggae. So reggae is a style of music that emerged from Jamaica in the 1960s. You're going to have artists like Bob Marley who are the most known for this genre. Personally, reggae is something I've actually never sampled before, but if I had to describe the style to you, it's composed with a lot of instruments, pianos, guitars that have that classic kind of staccato pluck sound. So that's a big part of the genre along with the rhythm as well. And I'm not really sure what we're going to do with it, but I'm down to try something different. So let's get down to business, and I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Alright, I'm on Discogs.com. As I say every week, check out my full tutorial if you want to learn how to do this in depth. But we're going to go to Explore, we're going to go to Explore All, we're going to go to Genre, we're going to pick Reggae. Gonna go down to decade. I'm gonna pick 1970. Mexico. There's only 63 records, but let's see what we got. What's that? That's pretty cool. I wouldn't sample it, but it's pretty cool. It's like a RZA type sample. The Arabs. Alright, I think I'm going to choose this one, and the reason why is because with reggae, I feel like it's really hard to get around the drums. I feel like there's a rhythm in reggae that you can't really bypass. So I think, for me, if I had to choose a reggae sample, I'd rather choose a reggae sample with drums that has a lot of room to expand on it versus like reggae sample that has like all this melody and all this percussion and stuff in it. So I think for that reason, I'm going to choose this one. And whatever. Let's see how this turns out. Okay, we are now in Ableton Live, so now I'm gonna get through. I'm gonna warp this. I'm gonna see what we can do with it. It's like a weird texture. I guess I could use that somewhere. That is so strange. So I took the percussion from the sample and I looped it, and then I played some reggae chords on top of it, which is kind of interesting. I've never really done anything like this before, but something different, and I'm gonna add some hats on it now. Gonna add the snare. Gonna add the kick. Record the bass now. Yeah, this is an interesting beat. I don't think I've ever made anything like this before. This is kind of crazy. The only sample I used was the percussion from the reggae, but everything else is just no samples. guys, that's today's episode. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment down below. Next week, we're going to be doing gospel music. That's going to be sick. So stay tuned for next week, and I'll see you next time.